welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yasmin and I make DIY, home decor, and organization videos every week. So for today's video, we're heading to IKEA to check out the new items that they have for summer 2022 and what designs are trending this season. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and let's go ahead and get started. Right off the bat, seeing this new section kind of seems like a summery, maybe beach type stuff. So they have these like tote bags you can put all your stuff in if you're going to the beach, I think. And they have some water bottles. They also have like some really cool patterned bath towels and bathrobes. So this is kind of really cool to see right as you walk up the escalator here. In this room, I'm not seeing a whole lot of new stuff, but I am seeing this unfinished wood bench with storage, and it is, I believe, $75 per Jahan. This would be really cool maybe for like an entryway or something, or like a mud room, and you can finish it with whatever paint or stain that you want. This kitchen setup is really cool. I love the black and wood color palette in here, and I'm seeing this light. I don't think it's new, but it's only $21.99 and it's a really good size, and I'm kind of looking for a pendant or sort of fixture for our dining area, so I'm kind of eyeing the best piece. There's another one right here. I'm not seeing a tag on it just yet, and they have this little wall storage here for $16.99. Again, it's the unfinished wood, and you can just put your parchment paper or all of that, or like if you DIY like me, this would be cool with like some craft paper to just like roll it out really easy. They have some new kitchenware, so this really pretty, very simple kitchen towel set and this wall art. So the dish towel set is $10. Again, very simple, that kind of like waffle texture. And then they have these pictures for $14.99. So it comes in this pack, and I think it's very simple and very cute for like a little art for your kitchen area. This is kind of a cool, I guess, living room setup. And they have like a little gaming setup in the corner, and I don't know, this could be a cool like man cave / gaming room. This is what it looks like to me. So this small L-shaped couch has a new tag. It is fairly small, so if you have a small space or studio, I feel like this would be great. And it's only $4.49. So again, this would be perfect for a small space and possibly sleeping someone on it too. And they have the regular sofa as well, which is $3.49. And yeah, these are kind of cool. You could maybe paint or swap out the legs to kind of just elevate the look of them, but very clean lines and very affordable for the price. And they have the tiny version, like a little love seat up there, which is $2.49. So they have a variety of sizes of this collection. Right here also has a new tag, so they have this kind of like velvet dark blue, a gray one, and like a dark kind of burnt orange one in the back. So this is also a love seat, Applard. This one is on the pricier side, but it is a lot nicer and a lot bigger, especially for a love seat. So if you want to spend that kind of money, they have that, and they have this texture kind of fabric, which is a little bit cheaper at $9.99. And they have this burnt orange one, like I said. It's kind of a cool, funky color if you have like a retro space or you're kind of into that 70s look. This would fit perfectly in your space. this kind of really low, modern looking coffee table. And it's Lister B. It has the new tag. I feel like I've seen it before, but I'm sharing it anyways. It's $189.99. And then the other interesting piece is this side table, which is also an air purifier. Like, I mean, how cool is this? This is $259. You know how all air purifiers are just usually really ugly and just they're sitting in the corner of your space? So this is perfect. It's a side table and an air purifier, and it's very, very stylish, and I'm really digging this. They have this kind of Scandi side table. It's not the unfinished wood, I think it's like veneer, but it's very like IKEA style. It's called Earnestness, $349.99. So if you're into this look, this is a great price for the size. It has 2 cupboards and 2 really deep drawers. I love this display with the color choices, like a really cool mustardy accent color. I know it's really bold, and those cabinets, and then the same kind of armchair that I have, but it looks like the velvet kind of beigey tones. I don't know, it's really cool. And the rug just kind of all goes together. Have a lot of new dining chairs, very colorful. Here's another kind of like workspace, gaming room, man cave setup, kind of like the same blue lights. They have a little cart over here on wheels. This is actually kind of neat. Oh, they're calling it a nightstand. Okay. For $49.99. This would be really cool to roll around. Wow, this room setup is definitely new. I love the little arch opening with these sheer curtains they have. And like a very like serene kind of girly bedroom, and like just the color palette is really, really cool with the pastel pink and green. Some new pots and pans and just like dishware. First one right here is this pot with lid for $39.99. It has this like really cool like bamboo accents with the lid, so that's really cool. And then last time I was here they had like a really bright pink set. Now they have this like navy blue. It looks slightly different. For $59.99 you get 6 pieces. They have kind of like the same kitchen towels. The only ones I'm seeing new are these ones. This kind of like color set, it was on display too, but I don't see it here. It says coming soon. Okay, this is such a small thing, but it's from the IKEA 365 collection. So it's kind of like a set of 3 containers for like your lunchbox or something, insert for food container for $229. So you can literally, if you have like, I don't know, your rice and salad and your meat, you can have them separate in your lunchbox so everything doesn't get soggy. That's so smart. Okay, this colorful bowl set I think is also new. I did not see it last time. So it's bowls with lids, set of 5 for only $9.99. I mean, how cool is this? Just to have in your kitchen, like for salad, whatever, and if you're not done with it, you can just put the lid and put it right in the fridge. They also have these different food covers. These have been kind of trending lately, so you can kind of, if you cut a lemon or I don't know, your onion or something, you can put these over it instead of using Ziplocs, and they have different sizes, so they're like washable, and I've heard they keep everything really nice and fresh. Super sustainable, and love that idea. This cake stand is also new. It kind of has like a stone top with the metal stand. It is kind of pricey, but it's very like heavy duty. So this is new, and I think this one is new. This one is $19.99. They had this one upstairs. It's really pretty. These are really cool. I've been seeing these ripped glass sets. IKEA is really just great job. These look so high-end and so expensive, like something you would get from, I don't know, Pottery Barn or something. They have really cool wine glasses. Just this whole setup is, I just love. I don't want to leave now. Have this one, carafe for the stopper for your wine, and again that pretty ripped glass. I want to pick up literally everything, which I can't because I already picked up that one and the vase set, and then also this tea light holder from the same, like that peachy tone set. A couple of new bedspreads here, and they're pretty affordable. This one has like kind of dots, kind of polka dots, $24.99, and this one is just like kind of stripes for $29.99, and they have that one for $7.99. I'm seeing again new duvet covers throughout the store, and it looks like they've kind of pared down everything since the last time I was here, which is kind of nice. I feel like there was a point in time where they had like maybe too many. They have this one, it says it's new, it's like that white linen, $59.99, and it has like a little detail on it, which is actually really nice. Here's a little outdoor kind of summery setup. Again, I just love the way they set everything up with this little bench, which I did not see it in the showroom, but it would be cool like if you have a porch area, and this little kind of stand right here. You can put your plants and your drinks. Super cool, and make it cozy with throw pillow and a throw blanket. Past the basket and organization section, didn't see anything new, so I figured I can spare that section, but now I'm in lighting, and I kind of want to look around, like I said earlier, to see if I can find anything that would be perfect for our dining space. Right, seeing a new tag over here, kind of like a wall sconce. It says it's handmade. It is really cool. I think it's like that rattan seagrass kind of material, and it's $29.99. I believe these little ones are new. Did not see them last time. Cannot pronounce that. They're $27.99, like little desk lamps. And it's kind of like, I don't know, like a little candle holder, like this little handle right here. And that globe. Oh, and they're dimmable too. really cute. They have this kind of like blue-gray color and this like cream white one. Another kind of summery setup. This burnt orange color, I've been seeing it throughout the store, and this is kind of like the same plant stand that I saw upstairs. It's only $59.99, and this one is like the unfinished wood with black metal legs. It's definitely very, very beautiful. Okay, clearly I can't get enough of glassware and just like vases and stuff. I think this is new. I didn't see it last time. It is really pretty with this kind of like darker blue, and it's only $12.99. Really gorgeous. Seeing this one again with the ribbed glass that is so trendy. Seeing some other new stuff over here. This giant vase is only $34.99. I mean, it's huge. And then they have these kind of ceramic ones, very organic and beautiful. Seeing some new lanterns this time around. They have this black one, it's $11.99. These other taller ones as well, black and this kind of like metal look. So this one is $26.99 and this one is $24.99. Some new plant pots over here. This is kind of similar to the one they've had forever, but a different design at top. It's like leaves, so that's beautiful. And they have this bigger one for $14, and of course my favorite, the ribbed glassware. Okay, I'm in the warehouse, but they have this outdoor setup. Look how cute with the different type of chairs. Oh my gosh, this would be like perfect for a backyard. So beautiful and fun. Okay, so only thing I picked up from the as this section are these little glassware. I'm kind of on a roll today, and I checked, they're in really good shape, and there was 2 of them, so they're just like really pretty. And I think with the dining setup that we're doing the makeover, this would be really cool on that buffet kind of like styled. So I'm gonna grab those. I hope that you enjoyed this IKEA walkthrough and shop with me video. Let me know in the comments below if there's another home decor store that you want me to check out next. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.